Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can show your kills and deaths on the Valorant replay new feature. So you are going to go to the settings tab here. There's like a bunch of UIs that you can enable. I do want to show lines for kills and deaths on match timeline, so I'm just going to turn it on. And you can kind of see here the green one. Actually, I'm not sure, but it's just the kills and deaths. Oh, this is for arena. Okay, so I'm player 8. Okay, there we go. Now I can see how many deaths and kills I have. So I think for the kills, it's the green one here, and then for the deaths, it's the red one. That's why I have a lot more deaths than kills. Sorry, not a great Valorant player, but somebody please coach me so I can become better. Anyways, that is it. That is how you can show your deaths and kills on the new Valorant replay system. I think it's pretty cool, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.